Hi, welcome back. Today is a lovely day, so I wanted to share to you some of the view outside in our place.
We are here in playground. Yes, my baby is busy playing there. And I want to show you where we stay. This is our place we stay. It's a playground here for the children. There. And then that's other side of the building is still basic fixing, or the construction is still going on. Then I want to show you the swimming pool. We also have a swimming pool here. There's no more people there yet because it's still early. South African people, they like a barbican braai. That is also the front gate. That's front. This is our gym here. But I don't have chance to go first because nobody looking after to my baby. Maybe in the future we can go. It's inside. I could wish I can go. That is the front. That's building. That's our building. We're close in the gate. There. We stay here for free. That's my husband working here. Free accommodation. So that's why we stay there. And also we have a facility here, like a laundry area. Okay guys, I will update you soon.